Who says Sunday calls for a reset? It's Sunday, so obviously had to sleep in, so it's like so late in the day, but who cares? And today I'm not fasting, so I'm enjoying my little morning breakfast or brunch, whatever. But today I'm planning to do a Sunday reset, just like getting the house together. Yeah, that's it, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. So this is Fufu. It's basically like a, how can I say that? Okay, so it's time for a reset. So watch me, because obviously you can't harm me, huh? We got new packages. Okay, don't mind my head or my face. I just woke up. But we got new packages. We're gonna open them. Okay. Let's start with the smaller one. So whenever like I get a new package, I have this thing that we bought from Amazon, and just remove the address. That's the first thing that I do. I remove the address, I like everything, even like the QR codes. So this is what it looks like. So it removes like everything, like the name, everything. So that's that. So let's open this first one. Here and here. I feel like Christmas when I get in the package. So this is my hair massager. So I got this from Amazon. I needed a new head massager, so yeah, so I got this one. So excited because I need to do my hair today. That's why I bought it yesterday. So let's do the bigger one, which is the most exciting one. Like this thing is short, like really short. Like you can actually put the actual cardboard. So I always be careful with it because I don't know how it's gonna cut it. I'm so excited. Excited about this one. So first thing is this hair spa. Like I needed like a heating cap because I just feel like this will make my treatment, my hair treatment better. So I'm gonna try this one. Yeah, these were the two items that I got for my hair because I want to do like a hair treatment this weekend. So yeah, amazing. And the big item. Ooh, I didn't know this was gonna be this heavy because child. Alright, how do we open? This one is a whole production set. We got lighting for YouTube. I mean, like, you just want to improve our like lighting and like just the quality of the video. So I bought like this new like, how do they go, like video LED kit, and it's like 2 sets. It comes with like the tripod and everything. We're gonna try and check. This is like the bag that it comes with. Ooh. It comes with these stuff. Oh my god, I'm so happy because you know a lot of this stuff comes and then you have to look for like this head thing to put in them, and you have to buy those extra. And I have 2 for each one of them. I'll set it up and I'll come back to you guys. Alright, let's select. Ooh, it's actually really big. Nice. Okay. Yo, this is upside down. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is the usual lighting that we have. Let me try one. We'll try the first one. Okay. And we'll try a second one. Ooh. I may have to change like the setting. Let's see. Yeah. Pop, pop, pop. For each one of them. Maybe have to this one. I can do this, and I mean I think it's better, but I don't know. Let me turn this on. So I have three. One in the front, which was a ring light that I had forever, and these new ones that I got. Now I just turned off the ring light. It doesn't make any difference. Maybe if I that's one is okay. These ones are definitely like brighter than the ring light. Is it because I'm wearing white too? I mean, we'll have to try a few videos with them, but I think it definitely will enhance like the lighting of the videos. I mean, if we do like sit down videos or whatever, we'll have to try. But that's it. I'm gonna go do my hair treatment. My pre-poo is ready. This is actually hot oil, and I didn't have any other thing to put it in, so I put it in this. Although this is plastic, it's really hot, but I'm gonna start with spraying my hair with water. This is just plain water. I usually put apple cider vinegar in it, but I'm just gonna use water today. So I'm currently using the light just to see how it does. This is I have just one light right now, that's why you see this, but yeah, I'll try that today. Alright, I'll speed up this process. this is so messy. You need to make sure that you have a shirt that does not stain, and you need to clean your bathroom after that. So I have to do my cleaning, so that's why I'm doing. So I usually do it on weekends when I do my cleaning. So oh my god, I'm gonna put the shower cap to the base. I don't know how this is gonna go. And let's try this front back, I guess. All right, so put this like this, and okay. Oh, it was already on. Okay, 1, 2. It's written in, I think it's Korean. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see how this goes. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys once I'm done. Guys, I mean, you can see I'm literally sitting down. Honestly, oil hair treatment is not for the weak. It's not like I'm using this trying to like, oh my god, like it's so much oil. Like this is gone for sure. I have to put it in a washer. And then yeah, that side is really dripping, but this one is dripping as well. So I'm trying to clean it up, but man, I said use a shirt that you do not like or that doesn't get stained, and I'm just looking at this. I need to clean this. Okay guys, sorry for the dirty mirror, but it's been 30 minutes now, so I'm just gonna clean my hair, clean myself a little bit so I can take off all the oil, and then clean my bathroom. I finally finished cleaning up. My phone died in the process, so I had to go charge it up, and now I just started cooking dinner. Yeah, I'm gonna start cooking dinner, and that is going to be the end of my day. After, like, I'm literally still sweating. I mean, you might not be able to see, but I'm exhausted. And tomorrow is Monday. But anyways, thank you for following me and watching me clean.